Yes, good morning, everyone. So, in the object-oriented, last one is first one we have to discuss about abstract method. Abstract method. Abstract method, abstract class, interfaces. This is the last part. We know up to now three types of methods are available there. That is instance method, static method, and local method. Three types of methods are there. Along with this, what is this abstract method means? Sir, sometimes if we don't know about implementation, still we have to declare a method. Such a type of methods are called as abstract method. And I don't know about the implementation, but I have to declare one method. But who is responsible to implement this method means child class is the responsible to implement these methods. Such a type of unimplemented methods are called as abstract method. So how to declare this abstract method means by using at the rate abstract method decorator is there. Instead I want to declare def m1 self. Instead you have to write pass. So no implementation, only declaration is there. Abstract method decorator. Such a type of method is nothing but abstract method. But what is the use of this one means? Upcoming child classes are there. This child class can be implemented. These abstract method implementation. Such a type of methods are called as which method? Abstract method. So parent class, just it is defining the method, no implementation. In the child class, the implementation can be done. Those type of methods are called as a abstract method. For example, here, if you want to declare a class, go to the test.py. Here, I want to class test. Inside method, abstract method decorator, def m1. Inside I want to give self pass. So test is the parent class. Inside m1 is there. No implementation, abstract method decorator. Tomorrow, if any class, child class is there, class A with the parenthesis test. Now this A is responsible to implement this method because A is the child class, test is the parent class. So now once I am run this program, see this, just a declared class, I defined one method. I'm not creating any object, nothing. But try to run this program. Go to the command prompt. So in this, go to D drive classes py test.py. I'm not creating any object, just a class defined, one method I declared, but still we are getting some error. See this. What is the error? I'm getting some error here. Name abstract method is not defined. Why? I'm not created any object, just a defined class only, but still we are getting error. If I'm doing any operations, if we're getting error means okay, meaningful. So this is the predefined decorator. But this decorator, where it is available, some from import is required. Because this decorator I'm using means this decorator is somewhere else available. Test my class name, M1 my method, pass keyword, def keyword, self is variable. What is abstract method? That's where getting error. Abstract method is not defined. So for this, you have to import. There is one module is there, ABC. Import star. Now see this. If I'm running, I'm not getting any error. From this ABC module, this abstract method decorator is available there. What is the full form of this ABC? ABC means no, one module. What is the full form? Abstract base class module. Abstract base class module. In this module, this decorator is there. When you're using this decorator, compulsory you have to import that module name. Sir, make adding abstract method. Sometimes we don't know about implementation. Still, we can declare a method. Such a type of methods are called as abstract methods. Still, we can declare a method. Such a type of methods are called as abstract method. That is, abstract method has only declaration, but not implementation. In Python, we can declare abstract method, abstract method decorator. Abstract method decorator present in ABC module. Compulsory. We should import ABC module. Abstract base class module. Abstract base class module. Sir, for example, here I have to take a class. Fruit is the class name. I want to define one method, taste. What is the taste of the fruit? Taste of the fruit. We don't know because what is the taste of the fruit means we don't know. But who is responsible? Tomorrow I have to create one more class, child class. If the child class is apple, different taste. If the child class is orange, different taste. If the child class is grapes, different taste. So in this case, we don't know how to define the taste. So child class is responsible to implemented this type of parent class abstract methods. At that time, we need to go to this abstract methods. So child classes are responsible to provide implementation for parent class abstract methods. Hmm. Hmm. Next one, abstract class. Sir, what is the abstract class means? So many people are telling if a class contains abstract method, that is called as a abstract class. That is the wrong one. So abstract method should be available. Sometimes some classes implementation is not completed. Partial implemented classes are there. Such a type of classes are called as abstract class. So the first point is there. Is it abstract class or not abstract class means how to try to create object. Object creation is not possible for abstract classes. You have to try to create object. If you are happily creating object means such a type of class is nothing but not a abstract class. Simply at the time of objectation, it is telling object instantiation is not possible for abstract classes. Asal first of all, what is abstract class mean? The first rule is it should be derived from ABC class. And the compulsory parent class should be ABC. This ABC is a class available in this module. Small ABC is the module. This capital ABC is the class. So the first rule is your class compulsory should be derived from the which class ABC. And one more thing, second mandatory rule, at least one abstract method should be available. If these two rules are satisfied, such a type of class is nothing but a abstract class. Sir, is it abstract class or not? Try to create object. If you're not able to create object, happily it is abstract class. If you are creating object, it is not abstract class. So like that, we have to decide it. But most of the people telling if a class contains abstract method, that is abstract class. No. If it is satisfied these two rules, compulsory your class should be parent class ABC and at least one abstract method. Non-abstract methods also available, no problem. Such a type of classes are called as abstract classes. How to check whether is abstract class or not? Try to create object. Object creation is not possible for abstract classes. For example, here I have to created one class test pass. I'm not implementing anything. Try to create object T equal to test. Now, is it possible to create object or not? I'm giving class test, pass, no implementation. Test with parentheses means object got created, giving the reference variable T. Is it abstract class or not? You have to try to create object. Am I getting any error or I'm creating object? I'm creating object, no error. Until it is not an abstract class. Asal two rules, nothing will be satisfied. Sorry, now first one. I have to derive from ABC class. Now I'm trying to create object. Is it possible or not possible? Is it possible to create object? No, yes. Possible because it is not a abstract class. See, try to create here. Am I getting error or continue the program? Continuing. Ante object created because it is not abstract class. First rule satisfied. What about second one? My class contain any method? No. So happily you can create. For example, how to define abstract method? Just now we discussed abstract method decorator, def m1, inside cell, pass. Now both rules are satisfied. What is the parent class? ABC. At least an abstract method is there. Yes. Now try to create object. It will give directly telling not possible. Cannot instantiate abstract class. Which one? Test with abstract method. What is the abstract method? M1. Until now it is perfectly abstract class. So compulsory, it should be derived from ABC class, at least one abstract method. For example, I removed. Is it abstract class? So many people are telling this one abstract class because abstract method is there, sir. That's why it is not an abstract class. Try to create object. If object is created, it is not abstract class. Then am I getting any error or execution? And object created, not a abstract class because first rule was not satisfied. It is not derived from ABC class. So abstract class means compulsory. You have to derived from ABC and compulsory have to implement M1. For example, here in M1, print hi. By using T, can I call M1? Is it valid? Yes or no? No. First of all, is it abstract class? No. Object created successfully or not? Once object is there by using reference, can I call the methods or not? What is the wrong here? Abstract method, so what? I need to call. I'm telling only abstract classes object is not possible. Once you create object, but what is the purpose of T? By using T, I can access my variables, my methods. That's why I'm calling method, no problem. First of all, it is not abstract class. Object created. Once object created, anything you can access, no problem. So only abstract classes instantiation is not possible. If you created object successfully, it is not abstract class. So such a type of classes are nothing but what it is, abstract class. Sometimes implementation implementation of a class is not complete. Such a type of partially implementation classes are called as abstract classes. Sometimes implementation of a class is not completed. Such a type of abstract classes. Every abstract class in Python should be derived from ABC class, which is present in ABC module, which is present in ABC module. From ABC, import star class test pass create object. In the above code, we can create object for test class because it is a concrete class and it does not contain any abstract method. From ABC import star class test ABC pass create object to the class. Test class, even it is derived from ABC class because it does not contain any abstract method. Even it is derived from ABC, we have to create because my class does not contain any abstract method. Third possibility. From ABC import star class test parent class ABC. I have one abstract method is there def m1 self pass. Now try to create object. It is perfectly abstract class. Object creation is not possible in this case because it is derived from ABC. One abstract method is there. That's why it is abstract class. Object creation is not possible. Fourth one, from ABC, import star class test at the rate abstract method def m1 self pass create object valid only. We can create object even class contains abstract method because we are not extending ABC class. That's why you can create object, no problem. From ABC, import star class test abstract method def m1 self print high. We can create object to the class, happily call the method valid. So final conclusion is if a class contains at least one abstract method, at least one abstract method mandatory, and if we are extending ABC class, then instantiation is not possible because it is the pure abstract class. Abstract class with abstract method instantiation is not possible. Abstract. Abstract class with abstract method instantiation is not possible. Parent class abstract methods should be implemented in child classes. Child classes. Otherwise, we cannot instantiate child class. If we are not creating child class object, then we won't get any error. So child class is responsible to implement the parent class abstract methods. Once we implement it, then we can create object to the child class. If we are not creating any object for child class, then we are not getting any error. Sir, what is this last point mean? See, in parent class, we define an abstract methods. Who is responsible to implement it? It can be implemented in the child class. Suppose if child class is not implemented, if I try to create object, then it will become also abstract class. Automatically, object creation is not possible. Once you implemented, then only it is possible to create object for the child classes. Suppose if you are not implemented, you are not creating any object for child class, then we are not getting any error. For example, I have to take one parent class. That parent class is, I want to go with vehicle is the class name. Vehicle. ABC is my parent class. I have to take one abstract method also. Okay, def. Number of wheels. Sir, a vehicle contain how many number of wheels? We don't know. Because what is the vehicle type? Then only we have to decide it. A vehicle contain maybe two, maybe three, maybe four, maybe six, maybe eight. We don't know. That's a pass. So that vehicle is it abstract class or not? Yes, two rules are satisfied. Derived from ABC, one abstract method is there. Okay, done. Come to class. I'm taken bus. My parent class is vehicle. I'm not implemented anything. Pass. So bus is the child class. Vehicle is the parent. I'm not implemented anything. If I run the program, what is the output I will get? Is it executed or am I getting any error? Executed or any error? Error? What is the error? We are not getting any error. Program executed successfully because just now I'm telling this last point. Am I creating object for bus class? No. So I'm not creating any object. So no problem. Two classes are defined. No issues. Are they try to create object for bus class? Now I'm creating object b equal to bus. Now am I getting error? Yes. The reason is vehicle is the parent. Which type of class? Vehicle class? Abstract class. Once I inherited parent, bus is also automatically abstract class because parent property is eligible to the child class. Now simple it is telling Babu cannot instantiate abstract class bus with abstract method number of wheels. Are they you have to implement it here, then create object. That is I'm telling this point, third point. Parent class method should be implemented in child class, but I'm not implemented. I'm trying to create object. Once a parent is abstract, inheritance of because of this inheritance, bus is also become which class? Abstract class. That's why directly they're telling bus object creation is not possible. I think how to implement this method. Then call the method no problem because child class is responsible to create the object. Hmm. Case one. Hmm. It is valid. Hmm. Because we are not Hmm. child class object. Because I'm not created object, that's why it is perfectly valid only. So in this example, just I defined two classes. So executed program valid. In the second case, try to create object for this class. Same code, try to create object. Then immediately you are getting error. Object creation is not possible. If we are extending abstract class and does not override its abstract method, then child class is also abstract and instantiation is not possible. If you are extending abstract class and we are not overriding that method in the child class, then it is also abstract. Object creation is not possible. We are now here. In this class, vehicle class is there, bus is there. So now I want to implemented this method. What is the method? Number of wheels method. A bus contain how many number of wheels? Bus 6, 7, back 4, front 2, 1 step in tire. So totally 7 are available there. Suppose I have to take a class auto vehicle. Same I want to implement number of wheels. How many wheels are there? Three, three only. Four. My auto does not contain step in. Only three. Back to front one. Only three are there. No step in for auto. Three only available there. Sir, so vehicle contains how many number of wheels? I don't know. Bus case 7, auto case 3. So both the child classes are implemented parent class method. Once the child class is overridden the method, happily you can create object here. Now B equal to bus. Now by using B dot number of wheels. Oh, return statement is there now. Print. Now, and I'm getting a 7. Now, bus is not a abstract class because you implemented the method. Previous class you are not implemented. That's why parent is abstract automatically. Child is also abstract. Now create object to auto. Give the reference variable. So always child classes are responsible to implemented parent class abstract methods. Parent class just defining the method only. Child is the responsible to implemented those methods. That is called as abstract method and abstract class. So abstract class can contain both abstract methods and non-abstract methods also. Abstract class can contain both abstract methods and non-abstract methods also. So it is called as a abstract class. Next concept, interfaces. So next concept, interface. That is Monday we will discuss this. What is interface? How to define interfaces in Python? What is a concrete class, abstract class, and interface differences?